Even as the world grapples with the dreaded COVID-19 pandemic, spotting the potential warning symptoms is integral to allow for earlier treatment. While fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, runny nose, sore throat, diarrhea, unexplained loss of taste or smell are some of the common symptoms, there are 3 lesser known signs of the deadly bug. What are they? Red or sore eyes. For a person experiencing sore eyes, it could be a warning of a potential COVID-19 infection. Researchers at the National Institute for Infectious Diseases in Italy found that virus persisted in the eyes of one 65-year-old woman for 21 days after she first developed symptoms. Reports have emerged of people getting pink eye with coronavirus worldwide. The symptom is rare, however, with the number of patients affected remaining quite low. The report suggests that the tears and eye mucus of infected people may transmit the virus for weeks after symptoms develop. In the United States, pink eye as a symptom of COVID-19 first became a coronavirus concern after a nurse at the Life Care Center home in Kirkland, Washington, revealed that almost every COVID-19 patient she treated there had red eyes. The nurse said that many of those patients showed no other signs of illness but were eventually confirmed to have coronavirus. The symptom is still not listed as a symptom by the Center for Disease Control in America or by the government in the United Kingdom, but has been observed in many countries. Mental and physical fatigue. Fatigue could be down to various reasons, and it does not always entirely mean a possible COVID-19 infection. However, many sufferers of coronavirus reported a symptom of brain fog, also known as mental fatigue, and physical tiredness before being diagnosed with the deadly bug. Although not an official symptom of COVID-19, fatigue, tiredness, brain fog, flatlining, and an inability to arise after sleeping is being seen as a potential symptom of the infection. In a report published by World Health Organization, fever equated to 87.9% of infected patients, dry cough 67.7% and 38.1% for this flatlining feeling. Lack of appetite and tummy ache. Although not an official symptom of COVID-19, loss of appetite and tummy ache could be one of the symptoms of the deadly infection. A study of 204 patients in Wuhan found 48.5% went to hospital with digestive issues as their main ailment, of which 83% experienced loss of appetite and 0.4% experienced abdominal pain. The majority of these people did not have any underlying digestive diseases. This study, conducted by Chinese researchers, has been scrutinized by other academics and published in the American Journal of Gastroenterology. The study also found the digestive issues worsened as the severity of the disease increased. The deadly COVID-19 pandemic, which originated from Wuhan in China's Hubei province, has, as on April 24, 2020, spread across 213 countries, infecting over 250,000 people. So far, 178,686 deaths have been confirmed worldwide. Thank you for watching this report. We urge you to follow social distancing, stay home, stay safe, practice hand and respiratory hygiene, and keep yourself informed only through trusted sources.